Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a calculator in Tkinter in Python. So the main objectives of this series are multi-part series. So first of all, to teach you how to make a calculator, of course, in Tkinter Python. It's also how to teach you how to set up an application like using autopy2exe. We're going to do that at the end, and it's just going to generally teach you Python. So what I'm going to do in this first part is, so today what we're going to do is we are first of all going to set up a basic window and make Tkinter work basically. Then our second objective is we are going to set up basic input. So that's what we're going to do today. So let's start. So first of all, what you want to do is just import Tkinter as tk. I'm putting it as tk as it will be hard to write Tkinter dot whatever, because you have to write Tkinter, like for example Tkinter dot button. You can do that, but instead of that you can also write tk dot button, since I've imported it as tk. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to write calc GUI is equal to tk.tk. This is basically making Tkinter, and to actually make this thing work, we are going to have to do this main loop. It basically triggers the main starting of the program. So let's just do it. Oops. Okay. So what I'm going to do is just Python 3 and making calc.py. So yeah, as we can see, Tkinter has been basically set up. So now what we're going to do is, now that Tkinter has been basically set up, if it isn't and it throws an error, if you're on Linux like me, you can just do apt install python 3-tkinter. I already have this. Yeah, I already have this, so it's like showing an error. But you can just do this to install packages. If you don't have, you can also do pip, but on Windows you can do just pip install Tkinter. Pretty sure in macOS you can use either of these methods. So yeah, that's basically how to install it. For Python, you can just do sudo apt install python and pip. In Windows you can just run the executable. In macOS you can also run the dmg, I think. I'm not quite sure. You can check for in the official Python instructions. So now that we have this, let's just do basic setup. First of all, like making a title is equal to simple calculator, for example, and we're also going to set the geometry. (640 by 480). So let's test now. And yeah, very simple. We have a window called simple calculator with this. Brilliant. Now let's just come over here and make an entry, calc entry. So let's just do calc entry is equal to tk.entry, and first of all it's going to be in calc GUI, and there will be no pre-written text, so you can just leave that as is for now. And I'm just going to do calc entry dot pack. First of all, I should probably actually make the width a bit bigger. Width I'm going to choose 50. So let's run it and see what it is. Oops. Yep, nice. So now that we have this, we can just make a button. So calc button 1 is equal to tk.entry and calc gy comma text is equal to 1. And first of all, we should probably make a function on inputting. So def input text. So first of all, we want to get the current text. Get, and then what we want to do is just calc entry dot insert. Oh, we also want to just do num. So calc entry dot insert tk dot end. This is just going to start from the beginning. Current text plus num. We should probably convert the number into a string. So string num equals to, so that we can actually put it there. It's good practice. So even if it works without, I still recommend you do this. Highly recommend you do this actually. It helps clear up any errors. So let's see if this works. First of all, we should pack it. Currently I'm just going to pack it, then I want to like make it like actually a calculator layout, like a grid type layout. So calc button 1.pack, and let's just do this. And oops, this is supposed to be tk.button. Oh no, not this. Oh yeah, this only. tk.button. Now let's try this again. And 1. Oh my god, I forgot to link the command. Silly me. So command equals to, I want to do lambda so that we can, if we don't do this, this is a keyword which makes sure like if we don't do this and we just enter it with a bracket for the value num, it will just instantly print that and won't let us do it. So basically if we just don't do this, we just do input text 1, for example 1, then if we try to do this, it will just have 1 pre-inputted, like see, and it doesn't work the button now. So that's why you should use lambda, so that it doesn't instantly input 1. Let's try it again. Yeah, see, oops. So just current text plus string num. Well, let's see what the problem is. Let's just enter it again. So 1. So is it, oh, it's okay, so we forgot to clear it. So what we should do is clear it, then just calc entry dot clear. Just okay, yeah, so I just realized we can't clear it, we just have to do delete. So 0 tk dot end. So this is gonna delete everything. So let's try again. Let's try it. Let's try it again once. So okay. So 1, 1, yeah, see, so now our button is entering 1 like it's supposed to. So now that it's got input configured, so now that we've like got this, let's just duplicate this multiple times. And if you have any doubts, don't forget to leave it in the comment section. It's okay, like I'll answer all of them, no matter how stupid it may seem. So 2, because coding, well, at first glance it may seem hard, but with proper support and proper learning, coding is actually quite easy when you understand it. So let's just continue. So I should probably just change this. Wait a second. So text should be 2. I'll just do this. Just give me a moment. Okay, so let's just run it again. And while it is in straight line, you fix that with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. So yeah, everything is working perfectly fine. So I think it's time to use place instead of pack. So this place, this can pack, and x is 10, y is 10. I'm just testing if you can use place and pack together because I'm not sure. I have seen it before, but I'm pretty sure you can't use place and pack together. So desktop, dev folder, py tutorials, making calc. So oops, python 3 making calc.py, and yeah, you can use that and that at the same time. So yeah, let's just you can just place them anywhere you want. Like I'm just gonna lower this a bit. Like x should be, I think, 40. Let me just try that and see how it looks. Oh, oops. Small mishaps can happen. So x is 40. Yeah, like that. So y I'm just going to put as 40 as well. So x is 40, y is 80, x is 40. Oops, it's actually not like that. So 2 would be opposite, right? So 80, 40, then 3 would be 120, and y would be 40. Yeah, 40. And then it would be x is 40 and y is 80. Then x is 80, y is 80, and x is x is 120, y is 80. So just this way, x is 40, y is 120. So x is 40, y is 120. I will space this out more. X is 40, y is 120. So let me just update that. 40 and 80 and 120, and x is, well, let's see how all of this is. First of all, I'm going to place that one. Oops, let me just replace all the packs with play. Ctrl H, pack, replace it with place, replace all. It's okay, I'll just shift this back to pack, that's fine. And let's just see. Okay, that's a very nice grid. It's a bit off corner, so I will fix that soon. And then x is the 80, y is 160. I'm pretty sure it should be this. Let me just see. And yeah, looks great. So let me actually just make this a bit smaller. Actually, we don't need all this space currently, so I'll just make this 200 by 200. Let's see how that looks. No worry, I'll shorten this. Oh yeah, that looks really good. So that's basically it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. So that's basically it. I just want to see, can this extend? Yeah, it can. Let me just find the kind of sweet spot where it doesn't extend. I don't think width is really needed now. So let me just try again. Okay, yeah. So let me just try it again. And yeah, so that's basically a very simple calculator. We don't have keyboard input currently, but we have this. We don't have erasing, but we'll cover that in the next episode, as this episode is already fairly long, around 15-16 minutes. So I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, just leave a like, and if you want to see others, just keep checking my channel. So thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.